Alright, y'all, so I don't know if you remember that movie back in the day, Casper Meets Wendy. I basically was looking for that and then ran across Double Double Toil and Trouble. And I'm thinking about buying it for $5 because I don't want to have to rent it for $3.99 and then turn around and rent it again. So I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna buy it. That way I'll always have it under my account for Prime. You know, the crazy thing is it just told me that I couldn't purchase it. But then it says purchase complete. Which one is it? Which one is it? Anyways, I'm getting hungry and I need to get ready to fix everybody something to eat. So I have a cute little idea that I found on Pinterest that I saved under my pins. That's why it's a good idea for y'all to go over to my Pinterest and check out all the pins that I have. So I am gonna try to find Casper Meets Wendy and see if they have that available on here too. But now that I have bought that, kudos to myself. So let's get ready to go in the kitchen and make some mummy dogs. This movie is currently unavailable. Ain't that some crazy stuff? Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. Today starts a whole new week. So it's Monday. The way that this week is going to go is very simple, hopefully, because I work today, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday is a teacher work day, and basically it's a fit from, like, work from your best fit spot. My best fit spot is home. I've told y'all that before. So I don't know, like, you know, whatever. So I have a cappuccino this morning. In my cappuccino, I just put like a little bit of some French vanilla coffee creamer, and it's still hot. And I literally just like left the house 15 minutes ago, which is a good thing because I don't want it everywhere in the car. Right now I'm at Chick-fil-A, just grabbing some breakfast. 7:16. I have about 10 minutes, not 10 minutes, but about like 14 minutes before I need to be at work. Today's outfit is just my Hello Pumpkin shirt that I got from Sparkle and Pink, and then so you guys could see it better, I just paired it with like the olive green pants because there's olive green in the shirt, as I don't have, or I could have did my orange pants, but it doesn't look right with like this type of shirt. So I'll have to catch you guys later. So usually when I get home, the first thing that I do is see if I have dishes to do. And it looks like I have quite a few, not quite a few, but like the bare minimal. I did make, of course, some adult teacher drinks. If you guys would like to know what that is, comment down below and I definitely will share with you guys a good but cute little sangria that you guys can easily make yourself using like 4 to 5 ingredients, just plain and simple. So we had some apple cider mimosas in this container here where you can like, you know, pitch it yourself. So I got about 6 dishes to wash, no biggie at all. And then some other dishes just to put away. So I always like to make sure that dishes are put away around here. Who knows what I want to do with my hair. I might want to put it in 2 braids. I might want to, I might just want to straighten it. It's not supposed to call for rain this week, but I think I would like to have it straight for a little bit of time. Right now, I'm just going to go and do some planning as I have this channel in Vlogtober, hoping to grow it. We'll see what the outcome is. But I'm really hungry. And it's 5:21 now.